Hello everyone, we are Group 5 and my name is Ina. Joining me are my teammates Iman, Samira and Rahul. Today we will be discussing our presentation on the impact of automation and artificial intelligence on digital forensics. In this presentation, we'll explore how emerging technologies like AI, machine learning and intelligent automation are transforming digital forensic practices. We'll cover the current challenges in the field, the need for evolution, and how intelligent automation is shaping the future of digital investigations. Let's begin by examining why digital forensics need to evolve in today's rapidly advancing technological landscape. Why digital forensics need to evolve? It needs to evolve because it is facing a rapidly changing landscape. The sheer volume of data from cloud platforms, mobile apps, and IoT devices makes traditional forensic methods inefficient. At the same time, cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated, and current tools often lack the speed and scalability needed to keep up. Moreover, legal and jurisdictional barriers further complicate investigations, especially in cross-border cases. Jarrett and Choo argue that without evolution, forensic science risks falling behind. What this study aims to solve. The study addresses the need to modernize digital forensic practices to meet the challenges of today's complex cyber environment. There is a pressing need for a forensic model that's both scalable and adaptable, capable of handling vast amount of data and evolving technologies. Emphasizing proactive forensic readiness ensures that organizations are not only reacting to incidents but are prepared in advance, minimizing potential damages. Moreover, fostering collaboration between technical teams and law enforcement is crucial. Such partnerships ensure that digital evidence is collected efficiently and adheres to legal standards. Transitioning from a reactive to a proactive approach in digital forensics is essential for staying ahead in the ever-evolving cyber realm.
Meet the tech AI, ML, DL. We're just going to take some time to explain the difference between AI, ML, and DL, but before discussing this, it's important to first understand what automation is. So let's start there. Per the reading, we learned that automation is a marriage of modern systems and software to complete a task or process with zero or minimal human intervention. So using that, in today's climate, there are many corporations that strive to find ways to automate processes that are currently manual to help reduce labor responsibilities for their employees. And there are many risks and responsibilities that's tied to that, but we will discuss the role of automation systems in the next slide. So just to jump back on topic, one major misconception with automation is that automation in AI is the same, but it's in fact different. This is because to automate a process, AI is not required. And with the reading, along with other credible sources, we're able to confirm that automation and AI are independent concepts that can be utilized together to develop IA systems, which we know is an intelligent automation. So there are three forms of technologies that is involved in this process of automation: AI, ML, and DL. And this is what we're going to be talking about on this slide. So starting with AI is artificial intelligence, and it's the development of computer systems and programs that can act intelligently. So in other words, it provides learning capabilities and decision making to computer systems. Secondly, we're going to talk about ML. ML is machine learning, and machine learning is under AI. ML is a division of AI that enables the AI to become smarter by helping computer systems consume and learn large amounts of data to identify patterns and form future predictions. So, in other words, it is a computer system or any type of smart algorithm that can consume and analyze large amounts of data to draw conclusions. And just to dive a little deeper, then there's DL, which is deeper learning, of course. And this is a division of ML that enables AI by utilizing neural networks to advance learning from ML. So it's a specialized subset of ML that solves complex data sets. And if you don't know what neural networks are, on the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see that it's something that teaches computer systems to operate intelligently in a way that is based on human thinking. So hopefully that will help you get a better understanding on what DL, deeper learning, is. So, in summary, to just close up this slide, ML and DL's primary purpose is to form conclusions or predictions based on large amounts of data. Likewise, AI's primary intent is to determine decisive decisions based on the conclusion formed by ML and DL. Smart forensics, the role of intelligent automation IA. So why is automation in AI important today? Well, there are various studies that focuses on strengthening the development of AI and implementing it into current automations. More specifically, as it relates to digital forensics, the researchers of such studies concluded that AI is highly relevant to the evidence analysis phase of digital forensics. So in other words, utilizing AI-generated digital forensic tools will help process objective data that will help develop a great analysis that can be presented as evidence in the conclusion of any investigation. So the primary role is to achieve the most accurate digital forensic outcomes in the least amount of time, with the ability to precisely process and analyze large volumes of digital evidence. With that being said, let's discuss a few major points that highlights the role of intelligent automation in smart forensics. Number 1, cost reduction in labor. Transitioning to AI computer forensic investigation agencies reduces labor costs. This is because the implementation of IA reduces challenges that is found with inexperienced investigators and practitioners. Therefore, when IA is integrated, it will decrease the need for investigators, which means less salary payouts. Number 2, enhance accuracy and consistency. We learned that automated tools will minimize human error and maintain consistent forensic procedures that will improve reliability in investigations. Studies prove that investigators will restrict the automation of digital forensic operation due to a limited skill set. So to avoid this, utilizing IA is proven to increase accuracy levels and increase the chances of producing a thorough investigation. Number 3, accelerated evidence processing. In this reading, it also emphasizes that including IA in smart forensics is imperative because it helps with expediting the search and identification of important trends from large volumes of data, followed by visualization of results. It helps with real-time threat detection, where an AI-powered system can monitor networks and devices in real time to detect and respond to suspicious activities instantly.
Hello everyone, my name is Samira, and in this part of my presentation, I'll be focusing on three key areas from the paper. Let's begin with a look at some of the innovative tools and smart frameworks that are transforming digital forensics. So, several innovative tools are now helping forensic experts save time and improve accuracy. For instance, Magnet Automate allows full automation of forensic workflows, which reduces manual tasks and backlogs. Tools like the SparkQL Analyzer help extract meaningful data from structured sources efficiently. Another powerful tool like Axiom uses AI to dig deep into devices for hidden or deleted evidence. On the framework side, the DFRWS model remains a foundational structure in digital forensics, guiding every phase from identification to presentation. And newer models like the semantic verb framework use metadata to streamline evidence analysis automatically. Moving on to the next slide. In this slide, we're going to discuss about how IA is changing investigations. Intelligent automation, or IA, is transforming the way investigations are conducted. One major change is speed. Evidence can now be processed much faster than before. It also reduces human error and increases the accuracy of results. Intelligent automation can analyze huge amounts of data, including videos, text, and images, which would take a human hours or even days. Another benefit is predictive capability. AI tools can spot patterns in past crimes and help predict similar future threats. All of this also leads to a major reduction in investigation costs and resource use. Roadblocks on the path to full automation. Despite the progress, there are still some challenges in using IA for digital forensics. First, these systems still require expert supervision. AI can assist, but it can't fully replace human judgment yet, right? And another issue is dealing with encrypted or hidden data, which AI tools sometimes can't access or interpret correctly. There's also a lack of global standards or certifications for forensic AI tools, which raises concerns about consistency and reliability. Lastly, cybercrime is always evolving, so tools need constant updates to keep up. Thank you.
So, moving forward in digital forensics, what really stood out from the study is how powerful intelligent automation can be. It's helping investigators go through huge amounts of digital evidence much faster and more accurately. But even with all of these smart tools, we still need human judgment, especially when it comes to understanding context and making ethical decisions. Based on that, here are a few recommendations. First, we need to use a mix of AI and human input, basically a hybrid approach. Second, forensic professionals should keep learning and be trained in AI and machine learning tools. Third, there needs to be a strong ethical rules to make sure we're using automation responsibly. And finally, collaboration is everything between the tech experts, law enforcement, and researchers to build tools that are both powerful and trustworthy. To end the presentation, I just want to highlight one key thing. The future of digital forensics is really about the balance. Yes, automation gives us speed and efficiency, but it's the human side that makes sure we're being fair, ethical, and legally sound. We're no longer just reacting to cybercrimes, we're just using smart tools to investigate more intelligently and proactively. But as the tech gets better, we also have to stay responsible. That means continuing to work together across different fields, using AI in the right way, as always, and always keeping human judgment in the loop. Like the study said, automation makes things possible, but it's the human insight that makes it meaningful. Thank you.